don't forget to leave a comment, or the kitten gets it. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing something a little interesting. Oh, lag spike. Okay, well, a couple days ago, I thought, wouldn't it be cool if I could create a 3x3 piston door on this wall? And you might be thinking, well, of course you can, except a normal 3x3 piston door would require blocks like this to block any pistons and everything, and the door is. What if that wasn't the case? What if we could create a door that doesn't require those? That's what I want to try to get today. A little bit, so let's get started. So I started off here by building a simple 3x3, I guess this is the double piston extender. Now unfortunately, because this is in Pocket Edition and 1-tick sticky pistons don't leave behind their blocks, we are forced to use this block up here. But on the sides, I'm going to create a mechanism to swap out sticky pistons and regular pistons, or at least that's the plan. And so let's see. This is in the open position, so there would be 3 blocks here. And I'm going to need normal pistons. And we'll just put them like, oh, man, alright, up like this. Oh, I need those. I just realized I should have done this in a different order. Which means I have to replace those blocks. Alright. Now the plan here is to have a bunch of sticky pistons all on the bottom. In fact, I guess it would be 9. They'll extend out, and these, what are they called? Observer blocks will automatically power the normal pistons. They'll extend out and block up this area, and then we're going to swap these out for sticky pistons, and then they'll do the same thing in reverse when they come back. Now the one problem is going to be when they come back in, they'll push these blocks, and I think I have an idea of how to deal with that. I'm thinking about pulling these. I guess we'd have to pull these back first, and then pull these back. Which would be a little more difficult, not too difficult. So yeah, give me a little bit, and I'll come back to you when I've got, I suppose, that system rigged up. Alright, so I've worked a little bit more here, and now I've got it to the point where, right now, these, normal pistons are down. If I press this button, they go up, and if I press this button, the sticky pistons go down into place. And yes, this system is tall. No, it's not compact, but unfortunately when you're experimenting with designs like this, you can't go all out compact the first time around unless you have a very clear plan of where each block is going to go. So for me anyway, I'm going to get it big and elaborate and tall, and then afterwards I'll probably figure out how to compact it, or someone like Luxic, who I don't know if he still watches my channel or not, he compacted several of my designs once and even made them faster, so yeah. Also, I don't remember if I mentioned this, for this this 3x3 door bottom part, I have several tutorials on my channel for that if you're interested in it. Also, I had to rewire it, because otherwise the old wiring would have gotten in the way of this, so yeah. So anyway, I guess next is wiring up. I'm having these extend first. No, having these all extend at the same time. and then having these ones pull back first or something. I don't know. Alright, I'll get back to work then. Alright, I have a very exciting status update, guys. If we come around here, and this is in the closing, or the ready to close position right now. If we press, where'd I put it? It's around here somewhere, guys. This button. Broke it again. It does work and gets them extended. And then if we come up here and we extend the sticky pistons down like the plan is, and then we press this button again. I don't know why my game's lagging so much all of a sudden. It pulls them back. So now the only step left is to wire up all the different circuit. Well, actually there's one step left. I need to make a circuit that will choose which one of these activates first. So basically, before you close the door, the sticky pistons will be down in the opening position, getting ready to open it. But when I press the button to activate the whole door, those will swap out, and then the whole system will run and everything will close. And then when I press the button a second time, the normal pistons will be there, and they'll be swapped down, and then the whole process will run. So I also have to put some sort of button lever, to basically a contraption that turns a button impulse into a lever pulse. I call them button levers. I think they're actually called T flip-flops. So I need to put one of those in place to operate this, and make some sort of T flip-flop to operate those things. So we're almost done. Alright, so as you can see, I did rewire it, and I've got this bit of redstone in anyway. So now if I come up here, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. This is where these pistons will go, if I have them. Alright. So yeah, the only thing left to do now is to mirror this side to this side and hook up the wiring. So I will see you when that bit's done, and then afterwards I'll work on this. I'll probably do that on camera, actually. So yeah, see you in a bit. Alright, so we're on to the second day of recording now, and so far I've made quite a bit of progress. If I press this button, the door should close, at least on the... I still need to rig up this and the other side. However, there is a slight this redstone is in the way, so I'm going to have to move that out of the way first. So I'm trying to think. Do I want... Alright, it should be fine if I press the button again. Alright. So I'm going to work on lowering this stuff down to ground level and rewiring, just making sure everything works. And yeah, I'll catch you when that's done. Almost done here, actually. Let's see. So I need a block. On this side I'm going to need this. For anyone who's OCD, I'm sorry. There's no possible way I can do this and have both sides identical. At least not with this design. I'd have to rewire the entire thing. I'm very sorry. But everything up top should be it is the same pretty much. Except one small thing, which I may find a way to correct in the future if it starts annoying me. I don't think it will. I don't know. Alright, just coming around here. Put that in place, and that. And... What'd I break? Oh, no. It was just one repeater. Alright. Oh. So just so you know, when that camera whips around, that's some sort of glitch that happens, or maybe it's something I do with my hands. But I don't think I can control it. So it happens every now and then and something breaks. So let's see. So the last thing I need to do would be to hook this line up to this. Oh, I forgot one piece of redstone here. Oh, maybe I broke that too. Don't know. Oh, that actually comes off that line. Oh, this goes the opposite direction on this side. I made a mistake. I'm glad I caught that. So now I need to hook up this line to there. Oh no, I can't change that. So I think I will bring this over here. Yeah, I'm gonna figure this out off camera, and I'll be right back. Well guys, it's finished. If you press the button, it does close, and I did want to record that on camera. In fact, I did, but my screen recorder shut off. So basically what I did is I ran back. I have to use 2 repeaters because of this. If I place a block there, then the redstone signal can't, so kind of forced to do that. I could probably rearrange it and make it more compact, and I might do it here in a second actually. If I place this here, I can do that, and then, although that doesn't solve the problem, because then this would just power the redstone dust there, so yeah, I don't know. Anyway, so the redstone comes back to here, and then I have one of these things. These are cool. I saw these on Mumbo Jumbo's channel, link in the description since I mentioned him. And I think they're cool since they can carry power up directly upwards. So yeah, I use, I believe, 4 or 5 of them in this design. 6. Wow. Yeah, this design pretty much relies on them. Oh, and at the bottom here, this wire connects over to this, because this is, I think, pretty much the only area where the redstone power stays on throughout the entire closed process. This does it during here. Yeah, this wire does it during the opening process, but I need it during the closed process, so I'm stuck. Alright. So if we press the button, oh, if I can arrange myself. It'll open, and as you can see, the entire path is accessible. You can expand this infinitely and you won't hit any wiring whatsoever. Now the next problem is it a practical design? I would say probably not, especially since you could just make a hidden oh, if I place blocks here, it's gonna mess it up temporarily. So I'll just go correct it here. So you could just make a war design where just 2 blocks are hidden, and it would be significantly easier. But I challenge I do this. Plus, I suppose if you have tons of redstone to waste and hours upon hours of headache time. Alright, it didn't take that long. It took about an hour, but I split it over 2 days. So if you really wanted to, you could build this in survival. There's no parts that require creative mode, like pretty much any redstone contraption. So I don't know, if you guys want to build it, go ahead and do it. If you guys would like some sort of walkthrough or tutorial explaining this, let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.